Drawstring bags are simple to make and they're useful for a lot of different things. In this case, I'm making a bunch of them to give away as gifts at Maker Central. I'm using this thick cotton that I have left over from another project. I started by cutting rectangles that were 3 centimeters longer and wider than I wanted my bags to be. This is for the seam allowance. I folded the edges over twice, and these edges will form the top of the bag. A simple straight stitch keeps them in place. For the side seams, I used a French seam to hide the raw edges of the fabric. To make this seam, I folded the pieces wrong sides together and then stitched 1/2 centimeter from the edge. Next, I folded the bags inside out and flattened the sides. Now I stitch 1 centimeter from the edge, and that encases the first seam I made. This gives a nice clean finish and there won't be any chance of fraying. I decided to add a small bottom to these bags too. To do this, I folded small triangles across the side seams. That gives you this bunny ears look. Then I stitched a straight line across these triangles to secure them. Turning the bags right side out again, you can see the resulting shape of the bottom. I used hole punch pliers to cut small holes in the top edge. I then added eyelets to these holes. Finally, I threaded some string through the eyelets and my drawstring bags are done. I filled each of the bags with some goodies and I'll be giving them to some of my favorite makers at Maker Central in 2 weeks. But I'll also be bringing a whole bunch of stickers and some other things as well, so come find me at Maker Central if you want one of those. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in 2 weeks.